WhatsApp has added a new feature for video calls, allowing users to have fun AI-generated backgrounds. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to use AI video background effects on WhatsApp video calls. Now let's get started. To use AI video call backgrounds on WhatsApp, open WhatsApp and open the conversation you want to start a video call in. Tap the video camera icon to begin your video call. When the other person answers the call, tap the magic wand icon on your camera window. Then select Backgrounds. Choose the background you want to use. You can swipe sideways in the menu at the bottom to see more background options. To remove your background, scroll all the way to the left in the background menu and tap the No Background button. That's all it takes to use AI video backgrounds on WhatsApp video calls. To learn how to use this same feature on Messenger, check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.